Thanks for tuning in. If this is your first time, please do me a favor. Smash the like button, leave some comments down below what you think of the video, and please don't forget to subscribe. So today I'm going to be talking about Turo and Lula. The reason I'm making this video is going to be for the newcomers, and also maybe you're already a host on Turo, and I'm trying to see if I can help you reduce your overhead. Now, from my experience, a lot of friends that I know that are doing Turos just like I am, they, in the beginning, were using their personal auto insurance, like Geico, companies like that. Now, those are great companies. I'm not talking negative about those companies, but those companies are not really set up to cover your car if you're on Turo or other platforms like it. If they were to find out if you're sharing your car, you're renting out your car, they're very likely to drop you. I've even heard of instances where they're not even covering if you got in a car accident and they were to find out. That's things I've heard. So I wouldn't want you to run those risks. And I also don't want you to pay more if you don't have to. So the benefit with Lula, it's set up for you to have your car on Turo or other platforms like it at a reduced rate, which is awesome, right? $87 per month, that's great on a new car. 87 bucks, you can't beat that. Now it is only for business use. So it's not for someone that only has one car that rents it out and maybe they're just trying to offset their payments and they also use it for personal use. This wouldn't be a solution for you, unfortunately. But if you have a second car or that you have a fleet and these cars are strictly just for business, so you earn income, then Lula could be a good option if you're not already using it. So that's why I wanted to introduce it to the newcomers that maybe are thinking about buying that second car and want to one day have a fleet, or maybe those that already are on Turo and they have a fleet and maybe they don't know about Lula. I definitely wanted to bring it to your attention because it's a great opportunity to have more money in your pocket. Now, you only have 300 miles per month. It's only for business use, meaning you could take it to go get maintenance, like oil change, regular maintenance, tire rotation, things like that. Maybe the car needs new tires. So maintenance, you could drive it, to the shop and things like that. That's business use. It's going to be covered. If you need to go get a detail or you're doing delivery, as long as it's business use. Now, it's not going to cover if you're going to work or you're driving around for fun. That's going to be considered, that you're using personal and not business, and then it's not going to be covered. So I don't want you to run that risk. I also want you to know when the car is being booked out, it's not going to cover the car when a guest rents your vehicle. So I suggest, again, I'm not telling anyone what to do. These are just my tips from what I know and my opinions, is to use one of the Turo protection plans. Turo offers 4 protection plans. Read them, look through them, and pick the plan that you think is best for you. If you're wondering which one I have the 75 plan. I like that one. It has a low deductible, and that way if something does happen, I only have to pay a small deductible and the car gets repaired. So again, I do suggest strongly to have the protection plan that Turo offers when the car is being booked, and then when the car is not being booked, Lula will kick in for business use. Again, $87 a month. I'm not being paid by Lula or anything. This is just an informative video. So no one's paying me, none of the insurance companies. But I wanted to put this out there because I know that when I was starting, I had so many questions. I didn't know what to do. And this has just been me doing research and learning and what's been helping me. I want to bring that to you, to everyone, to make it easier for you. Because I know when you're trying to make more money or you want to start to do a business, it can be really tough. You run into a lot of challenges. So I'm just trying to help everyone overcome that a little bit quicker by making these videos. So it'd be really helpful if you leave some comments down below, letting me know further videos that you like for me to make. That way I can answer questions that I might not be answering right now. But I am going to make another video on other insurance companies like Lula, because there are other ones. That way you can see more of what's out there, and you can make the right decision. But hopefully, if you're thinking about doing Turo, that you found this helpful. If you're already on there, hopefully this will help you make more money. And thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.